Now we see adiabatic process is also called as the isentropic process. Okay, in case of adiabatic process, if you see in case of adiabatic process, the main purpose of adiabatic process is nothing but the system is provided with some insulation. Surrounding is provided with some insulations. What it means? This is not an isolated system. See there, this simple change in adiabatic process. We do what amount of heat is generated inside the system is not supplying to the surrounding. Heat loss to the surrounding, heat loss to the surrounding is zero. We assume that what amount of heat we developed inside this cylinder, assume that the when that cylinder is provided with some insulation. Why I am providing insulation? Because what amount of heat we developed inside the cylinder, my purpose is that that whole heat is utilized for work done. So I assume that every time the compression and expansion of the cylinder is adiabatically or isentropically, because what amount of heat we developed, we avoid the heat loss via conduction. I assume that heat avoid the heat loss via radiation. So what amount of heat we developed utilized for work done. So assume in case of IC engine, if we see the auto diesel cycle, their compression and expansion we assume isentropically. So what amount of heat we utilize, that whole heat is available at the crankshaft. At the end of compression, what heat is produced via spark, that chemical heat is energy going to convert into heat energy, and that heat energy is going to mechanical energy. So assume that there is no heat loss to the surrounding, the system is isentropically. Okay, that is the adiabatic. That is heat loss to the surrounding is zero. How we achieve? That system is some probably some insulation, but inside the system there is a process is going on. There is a work is happen. There is only heat loss to the surrounding is zero. See here, for process consider insulated frictionless piston and cylinder arrangement. I will discuss. A system undergoes a process. Okay, there is no heat transfer between system and surrounding, but system produces work on expenses of internal energy. So basic formula dq is equal to work done plus change in internal energy. We assume there is heat loss for adiabatic process, no heat loss. So dq is 0, no heat loss. So we get equation 0 is equal to work done plus change in internal energy. So work done is equal to minus change in internal energy. And change in internal fundamental formula, you know that every time using same formula here, mcv delta t. So work done is equal to minus change in internal energy. Okay, mcv delta t. If we remove that minus sign, what we done here, t2 minus t1 we write like that, t1 minus t2. We removing minus sign common, so that minus minus get plus. So in case of adiabatic process, work done is equal to mcv t1 minus t2. Remember just this simple change, or either we just remember work done is equal to minus du, and we know that du formula. Very important formula. We also, there is one another formula for adiabatic process. I am not going to in derivation. We just remember P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon gamma minus 1. This is the work done for adiabatic process. For adiabatic process, general gas equation is the PV raised to gamma is equal to C. Okay, in case of isothermal process, that equation P1 V1 is equal to C. Okay, in case of isobaric, V1 upon T1 is equal to C. I also going to compare all the process. Okay, in today's lecture also, once I complete adiabatic, we are going to compare all the process simultaneously, so you can get idea. We remember this three relation also is very important while solving the problem. PV relation, TV relation, TP relation. Don't miss the sequence. First is the PV, then is the TV, and last one is the TP relation. Because why I told you same sequence you remember? Because in PV there is the only raised to gamma, In TB there is some modification, gamma minus 1. In TP, gamma minus 1 upon gamma. There is a gradual change in formula, gradually increasing of formula, although that is the rest power. In PV, if we see P1 upon P2 is equal to V2 upon V1, there is a cross, that is 1 upon 2 is equal to here 2 upon 1. In TV also there is a cross connection, that is the T1 upon T2 is equal to V2 upon V1. But in case of TP, we remember equal sign. I am going to give hint how remember PV, TV, TP, gamma, gamma minus 1, gamma minus 1 upon gamma. In both two equation, all are reciprocal. P1 upon P2 is equal to, in case of V, V2 upon V1. In similar TP, there is a T1 upon T2 is equal to P1 upon P2. We just remember these three relations while solving the numerical. T1 upon T2 is equal to P1 upon P2 raised to gamma minus 1 upon gamma. And the change in enthalpy is similar for all the process. Adiabatic process also same. dH is equal to mCp T2 minus T1. This is the adiabatic process. We are going to apply this basic fundamental 5 formulas. There is only one change. For adiabatic process, you remember these some relations, PV relation, TV relation, the TP relations. When I am going to compare all the process, okay, next slide, so you can get idea.